Okay, so in this video, I'll be giving you a tour of the Essex County Surrogate Courthouse. Now, the Essex County Surrogate Courthouse handles a bunch of things, but I'm giving you a tour for people who have recently inherited a property or are navigating the probate process. The reason why I think this video is important, because sometimes people are afraid or kind of hesitant to kind of take that first step into handling their loved one's estate, which makes sense. However, I think it's useful if you can kind of preview what it looks like. It's a nice building, very modernized, it's very new. You could kind of like start to say, okay, I could picture myself going here and not being afraid and taking that first step on settling my loved one's estate. Now, whether if you've been formally put in charge of the estate through a will, or if you are petitioning to become the head of the estate, the executor of the estate, administrator of the estate, then you'll have to visit this courthouse regardless. But again, this is just a quick overview, quick tour. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Khalid with Probate Property Playbook. What we do is help families in Essex County and Hudson County navigate all of the non-legal tasks associated with inheriting a home in the probate process. And we also help you get the most for your inherited home in Essex County and Hudson County. Without further ado, here's the tour. Hope you guys enjoy.
The video is just entering the courthouse. Now, as you can see, this is handicap accessible, and you can come right up this long corridor to the right side of the building. Dr. Martin Luther King Boulevard. You can come on this side. You can enter this beautiful building and talk to the very friendly staff. This is up close to the building. Essex County Dr. Martin Luther King Justice Building. So what's gonna happen is, after you exit the officers, or go through the metal detectors, I like to take the stairs because it's not that far. You'll head straight up the stairs and you'll see the Essex County Surrogate Court right in front of you. Like, you literally cannot miss it. And then you'll go right to the clerk on the left. Again, I usually park over here on this right side of the street, on MLK in Springfield. That's across the street from the St. Benedict's High School. And today is Tuesday, so it must be like some street cleaning going on that right side. So be very aware of the parking signs, and you can kind of just look and peep, like, if people are parked there versus if they're not parked there, because a lot of locals who work and live around here, they know the parking rules like the back of their hand. So it's just about kind of reading the room, so to speak, and understanding where you could park if you want to walk, or if you just want to conveniently park, you just go there.